Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the dedicated VRAM for your onboard graphics on the Gigabyte B550 BIOS. So I'll share my screen with you. So as we can see here, we have our onboard Radeon graphics here, and we only have 512 megabytes allocated for dedicated video memory. So this is obviously going to bottleneck us in a lot of gaming situations if we were trying to game on this. So what we need to do to change that is first we need to access the BIOS. So we'll shut down and we'll restart. You'd think it'd just be really easy and straightforward. There'd be just a simple menu in the BIOS called dedicated video memory or something. Okay, so now that we're in our BIOS, we're just going to hit F2 to go over to advanced mode. And we want to go to our settings, and we want to go to our I/O ports here. And so we need to change a few things in here to be able to access the settings that'll enable us to adjust our video memory. So first we need to enable resized bar support, which will enable above 4G decoding by default. Then we need to go to our integrated graphics. We need to move that to forces, and we need to change the UMA mode to UMA specified, and then it will enable us to adjust our frame buffer size. And this is essentially the amount of video memory, or the amount of system memory that's allocated as video memory, I should say. So we're going to allocate 4 gigabytes to our video memory. And so now we can go and save and exit. So now that we're back in Windows, we can go to Task Manager. We can move over to the Performance tab. And you'll see here on the Memory tab, it'll still say 16 gigabytes up the top, which is how much memory we have installed. But it says down here 11.9 gigabytes because we have actually allocated 4 gigabytes of our memory to our onboard graphics to use as VRAM. So this will enable us to get a bit more gaming performance out of our onboard graphics. And it's definitely something that you want to adjust if you are running onboard graphics and you're trying to game. So it'll be a little bit different on different motherboards. We've covered the Gigabyte B550 BIOS. It'll be pretty standard between the different boards there in terms of the BIOS version. There will be some slight differences, but you should find most of the things in the same space as what you've seen me do in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you all in the next video.